Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Starz on app. We click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Starz on and you will click here. In this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Starz on here. You will wait until we turn on your Wi-Fi. You will go here to Starz on, and then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us.